If you want to replace your downlights easily without causing any damage to your ceiling, it's very easy. So first simply take your fingers and try to get them actually under the light. So it's actually quite stiff, but you can manage to do it. So see, I have my fingers underneath, and next I simply want to feel for any clips. So these lights have 2 clips. You see, as you start to pull them out, instead of yanking them outside, you want to feel where you have the clip and simply press in on that clip on all sides if needed. So for example, let's see, I will push inside both clips and tension them. So you see, and then remove the light. If you have these quick connectors, you can easily quickly disconnect these. But if you do not have, you will probably have to yank on your cable basically to pull it down a bit essentially, and then you will see the connector there most probably. And to install it back again, it's very easy. So you see, I'll simply take these clips here, spring them up. Okay, on this one, for example, I can literally just insert it just like that. So I have to only spring down this clip, insert inside, and job done. Okay, let me show you once more. So you see, you simply tension it down, find where you have the clip, press in on that clip. Again, you do not want to pull it down with force, otherwise again you might damage your ceiling there. To install back, again, just as easy as that. And this is, for example, what the clips look like on mine. They actually provide very high tension here. So again, if you have a thicker light, again you have to actually spring both these clips inside like this to be able for the light to drop out on you. Okay, good luck.